Hi, Dave Coble at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks for joining us today. Today I'm aboard a 2019 Harris Float Boat 250 Grand Mariner. A couple of things I want to point out. Down here, you notice the detail to the stitching. We've got some pull down stitching here, and right up inside there, I don't know if you can see this, the detail is just gorgeous. We've got a plug in there for a phone and a 12-volt plug over here as well. Down here we've got some Cubbies, which I think are brilliant. It's a nice place to put your purse or towels or whatever you might have. We've got some flip down cup holders so you can kind of relax as you're watching a skier or whatever. Facing the other direction, you can still talk to the captain. Also, we've got a really well appointed helm right here. This is really nice, clean lines. Got a little glove box on the top, which I think is super handy. And you'll notice it's all digital throttle and control. Very comfortable seat. Flip up bolsters so you can see over the people in front of you. You know, they really haven't left anything out. You've got a vinyl floor so that you know, the water doesn't soak into it. It's non-porous and it just dries off really quickly. It's very user-friendly. And then we've got this huge lounge seat in the back. Of course, this is transitions to forward-facing or a lounge in the back. You can easily fit 3 people back here. Somebody sitting here. You've got a remote control for the stereo, so you don't have to you know, run through the whole boat or go up. You can just adjust it right here, and a couple of places to plug in, which is very important nowadays. We also have a smart charger down here with a plug so that you can leave the boat unattended and have the boat have good charge when you get back. Thank you for joining us today. I really appreciate it. I'm Dave Coble. Feel free to give me a call at 573-216-8968 or 573-365-5382. That's our marina. Thank you. Have a great day.